guys, the 8-week course, in terms of that, I think I mentioned it last week. So I'm really kind of looking at, and I mean, Tracy would agree, and all the other coaches and the leadership team will definitely agree. I really believe that when it comes to launching your product on Amazon, online, on your own website, it takes more than 60 to 90 minutes of due diligence, right? So when it comes to the product discoveries that we currently have, yes, we have calls for an hour and a half or an hour. They're about an hour and a half now. And we've increased the price due to that because we need a little bit more time. That's purely product selection, right? Product selection is very, very different than going through the whole kit caboodle. When we're doing a product discovery, it is about product selection. It's not about going in there and differentiating your product and working with you over weeks to ensure differentiation is happening. It's not working with you to ensure that you have the right customer avatar. It's none of that stuff. But all of that stuff is very, very important to having a successful product also, because if it's not done right, then what's going to happen is you might feel a little bit confused and feel like, well, I just got a product selection or product discovery and maybe my product didn't work as well. There's a lot of factors to that, right? So it's important to let you guys know that when you do, if you do get a product discovery with us, make sure you know it is a product selection. You still have to do a lot of the work that goes with that to ensure it is differentiated, to ensure the marketplace that you want to sell in, etc., right? To ensure that you're actually speaking to your customer avatar and you've done all that research. That's all extremely important, right? So that's very, very important. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to create the brand startup group, which was an 8-week program going over everything, right? From how to pick your niche, how to pick your product, how to differentiate your product, how to do your P&L, work out your Amazon fees, basically how to do everything that you need to know to get your product up and running, to actually have the most chance of success, right? And then from there, you go straight into sourcing, right? It's important, I think, and this is kind of one of the biggest things I wanted to change when it came to AOE is that product selection process if you're looking at doing a private label business, right? It's important to get that right. And there's a lot of factors to having a successful product. It's not just the product selection itself. There's a lot of things around it, right? So that's why we're creating that. Also, there's also going to be an email that I'll probably send out before we leave, and something that I spoke about before about an accountability program. I think it's going to be probably a good time to do that and to actually launch that, because an accountability, you're going to have your own accountability mentor. I'm not going to go into too much detail with it, but sometimes, or what I've found is a lot of the times you might not have the time that you need to go through all the course, or what tends to happen is you might come in, go through the course and do a few videos, a few modules, and then you never get to it again. And you're kind of looking for shortcuts, right? Right. That's kind of normal. I think a lot of us do that, which is fine. But so mentorship accountability program, that's what we're going to be creating also to ensure that you are staying on top of the timeline that you actually put yourself forward in terms of launching your own business, to stay accountable to actually going through all the videos, tutorials, learning, all that jazz. So we're going to be putting something together like that.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.